If you're looking for standout features that CoConstruct offers, which you won't find in other project management tools, stick around until the end of this video. You'll discover how CoConstruct takes things to the next level for construction professionals and why it's so highly regarded in the industry. But before we dive in, did you know you can try CoConstruct completely free right now? Check the link below to get exclusive access to an extended free trial and some bonus perks to get you started. You won't want to miss out on that. Now, let's get into the features that make CoConstruct so unique. First off, the customizability of CoConstruct's project templates is a game changer. Unlike other tools where templates are locked into predefined structures, CoConstruct lets you tailor every aspect to suit your specific needs. This means you can adjust workflows, timelines, and details to match your project without getting bogged down by rigid frameworks. No other tool gives you that kind of flexibility right out of the box. Next, let's talk about CoConstruct's budgeting and financial tracking system. What sets it apart from others is its seamless integration with QuickBooks. While many project management tools offer basic financial tracking, CoConstruct allows you to manage your entire budget in real time, syncing with your accounting software to make sure everything stays aligned. This means fewer errors and less time spent double-checking numbers. If you're running multiple projects, this integration alone is worth its weight in gold. The third thing is CoConstruct's client and team communication features. Sure, many tools offer messaging systems, but CoConstruct's is built with construction-specific needs in mind. You can send project updates, photos, and even change orders directly to clients and subcontractors, all through the same platform. This keeps everyone in the loop and reduces the chances of miscommunication, which is a huge benefit for staying on track with your projects. Next, CoConstruct's change order management stands out in a way that other tools can't match. When a change occurs, CoConstruct allows you to create detailed, client-approved change orders on the fly. This means less paperwork and less back and forth with clients. It keeps your project's budget and schedule in check without all the headaches that typically come with change orders. The fifth feature is its robust client portal. What makes CoConstruct's portal unique is the level of access it provides to clients. You can share project progress, invoices, and even photos through a personalized portal. Your clients will feel involved, and it reduces the need for constant updates and phone calls. The last thing I want to mention is CoConstruct's scheduling capabilities. While most software just gives you basic scheduling, CoConstruct offers dynamic scheduling that automatically updates when changes happen. This includes rescheduling tasks if a delay occurs or if a subcontractor updates their availability. It takes the guesswork out of scheduling, and you won't find that level of automation in many other tools. So, if you're looking for project management features that you won't find anywhere else, CoConstruct has you covered. Don't forget, if you're ready to dive in and see these features in action, check out the first link in the description for an exclusive extended free trial. You won't find that offer anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.